Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize and override the R button or the launcher button on your Anbernic RG556 console. So there is one simple way to do so. Open the Play Store, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and search for the application called Buttons Mapper. Now we're looking for some specific application here. This is the Buttons Mapper, Map and Combo from Irish, if I'm pronouncing this correctly. Download this application, then tap Open to open it. And what you need to do here is enable the service by switching the toggle to the right, and tap Continue, and in Accessibility go to Buttons Mapper and switch this toggle to the right too. Tap Allow and go back to the app. Now enable Foreground Service and then tap on plus icon. Select short and long press, then in key expand this list, and on the list select the last option, which is Other. Then swipe down until you find the F10 button here. Tap on F10. Then what we want to do is change the action. Well, you can set recent apps, but I think that the most meaningful action for this button is the home. And what you also need to do is switch the toggle, hit the checkbox next to block system action. So make sure that block system action is enabled, because it's very important, and active in all applications. Then tap OK. It will take some time for this action to appear on the list. I'm not sure. Maybe if we restart this application, it will appear here, right here. And sometimes you have to restart your system for the changes to apply, but generally speaking, just swipe down the control center and make sure that one app is active at least, and this app should be the Buttons Mapper application. Now let's try to open, for example, this web browser. Tap the launcher key. As you can see right now, the launcher key only transfers us to the home screen from wherever we press it. So if you didn't really need this launcher, I think this is the best solution for you, and I think right now you can be content with your console at last. At least I do. I am. So yeah, as you can see, it works seamlessly, and I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.